Prove that 1 dyne is equal to 10 raised power minus 5 Newton is 1 dyne is equal to 1 gram into 1 centimeter per second square. So is 1 gram is equal to 10 raised power minus 3 kilogram and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 raised power minus 2 meter. So by placing these values, so 1 dyne will be equal to is the value of 1 gram is 10 raised power minus 3 kilogram into 1 centimeter. The value of 1 centimeter is 10 raised power minus 2 meter per second square will remain same because its value is same in all the system of units. So 1 dyne will be equal to, when bases are same, then we will add the powers in multiplication. So it will be 10 raised power minus 3 minus 2 kilogram into meter per second square. So 1 dyne will be equal to 10 raised power minus 3 minus 2, it will be minus 5, is kilogram into meter per second square is equal to Newton. So 1 dyne is equal to 10 raised power minus 5 Newton, or we can also write it as 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised power 5 dyne. Thank you.